Well, that was the first night, and I think we all probably slept real soundly. A good solid 8 or 9 hours sleep. It's now just gone 6:30, and have a shower, head downstairs for breakfast, pack the car, and then we'll head off on our amazing road trip.
Quite a lot of the people are used to going around hostels.
Seen that on the telly.
Say cheese!
Cheese!
Hello.
Getting wet already.
Hope it falls over now.
So we are an hour behind schedule. We managed to get through Selja Landsfoss, and we've now just conquered Skogafoss. George, Anthony and Jack have ventured at the steps there, so hopefully they'll be back soon because we've got to leave in about 5 minutes.
And Anthony come tumbling after.
You enjoying the trip so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said that the chapel's on the hill.
Not great.
This canyon walk is absolutely killing me. I'm gonna walk up that hill, and we've just done. Oh, gooey! It's a warm one, and we've been out of pills, we've been out of condition, but this should sort us out. Finally made it to my vantage point. There's a little further to go, but in terms of its altitude, I think I'm at the height, and oh my god, the scenery is incredible. Further back, further back. I'm glad you didn't. Could you imagine? So the canyon was absolutely phenomenal. Got some great footage. I can't wait to see it properly though, because I mean, we've still got a sun-ridden screen, so it's difficult to really see clearly, but it looks really good. We're just packing up now, and then we're going to head to the Glacier Lagoon at Jökulsárlón. Glacier. Finally made the 5-hour journey to Jökulsárlón, the Glacier Lagoon, but it's absolutely stunning, and we'll be heading back shortly. So Anthony's getting ready for his monologue for his show. Got the microphone all set up, camera more or less sorted. Just done a bunch of aerial stuff at Jökulsárlón, and it just looked absolutely stunning. So we made it back to Vik again, about 2 hours from the Iceberg Lagoon, and we're going to head into this place, get some nice Icelandic lamb stew, get some fuel, and then straight back to home.
Fourth gear, making noise about 10 miles. I don't know if that noise is going to break down. Set it in the wrong bloody gear.
Oh, we have had such a laugh.
Milk bottle, that was funny. Cheese. Cheese yogurt, my mate.
Everybody's got some soup. Everybody's happy. We have a hot meal.
To be honest, it's cheaper here than a lot of the other ones anyway.
Yeah.
You're not all going to get
Select
the same
pump.
amount.
It's only 3. Only 3 extra.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with S.
S for sugar.
Yes.
I just said sugar loaf.
Sugar loaf.
Sugar loaf.
No, would you give up?
Hang on a bit.
Hang on a bit. They've only had one guess.
Sugars, signs, and what? Soup.
Soup. Yeah, signs. Correct. Your turn. That hut over there. The disabled one. Okay, if you go in the disabled toilet, they've got radiator in there, so you can have a warm in the disabled one. All right.
Have a safe journey.
Have a safe journey. Bye bye.
So we left today at 7:45 in the morning, and it's now just coming up to midnight, and we've just got back to the hostel. So we're gonna definitely get some sleep now. We're leaving tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, doing the Golden Circle tour. Tomorrow's not going to be as strenuous as today, so it should be a bit more easier for everyone.